Hello students, this is how to get to ESL 699 to see me on Zoom on this Wednesday at 12 o'clock. You may come at 11 o'clock if you prefer, just to chat. I will be there, but we'll have class at 12 o'clock. Okay, so from the college website, you want to click on Canvas. You will need your username and ID. Hopefully you have signed up for ESL 699. It is free and you can use it for tutoring with any instructor, but I will be there on Mondays and Wednesdays. Okay. All right, I'm putting in my information to log in. This will take you to Canvas, just like you go to Canvas for your classes. From the dashboard, you should see your 861 class. And if you've signed up for ESL 699, you should also see that. It's the ESL Learning Center. So you do need to go into this to meet with me for Zoom. Okay. Click on this and then follow the instructions I'm going to give you. You want Get Tutoring Today. Get Tutoring Today. This will work for you to see me on Wednesday at 12 o'clock. Again, you can come at 11. Once you click on Get Tutoring Today, you will see a list of other teachers and other times and days to meet with an instructor, which you are free to do, but to connect with me, you have to come on the days that I am there. And you can see that I am listed on Monday and Wednesday. So on Wednesday, please click right here where it says click here to see me. Okay, so I'm just going to click there to show you what it looks like. Again, make sure you're clicking on Dowling. That's your instructor's name. That's me. And then click Join. And that will take you right to me. Click Join. Okay, thank you and see you Wednesday, 12 o'clock.